Michigan State University has just released updates for their MBA program's 2025 to 26 intake. Let's dive in. First, mark your calendars for these important application deadlines. Round 1, October 7th, 2024. Round 2, November 25th, 2024. Round 3, February 17th, 2025. Round 4, April 7th, 2025. Now, let's look at what you'll need for your application to the MSU Broad MBA. Transcripts GRE or GMAT scores. Online application resume. 1 or 2 letters of recommendation. 2 essays, 1 written, 1 video. Video interview. Proof of English proficiency. Next, let's understand the MSU Broad MBA class of 2025. Here are some key stats. Class size, 63 students, 43% women, demonstrating MSU's commitment to gender diversity in business leadership. Average work experience, 4.6 years. Average age, 28 years. 33% international students. For those wondering about test scores and GPAs, median GMAT, 680. Middle 80% GMAT range, 620, 700, showing that MSU values a holistic application beyond just test scores. Average GPA, 3.34, reflecting strong academic backgrounds while leaving room for those with outstanding professional achievements. These numbers suggest that MSU Broad seeks well-rounded candidates. While academics are important, your work experience, leadership potential, and fit with the program also play crucial roles in the admissions decision. Here are some valuable tips for applicants. Plan your essays carefully. They're your chance to stand out and show how you align with MSU Broad's values. Take time to introspect and develop your personal stories well. Authenticity and self-awareness are key. Want to learn more or need help with your application? Reach out to Goal is B. Our experienced consultants can guide you through every step of the application process, from selecting the right test to crafting compelling essays. Good luck with your MSU Broad MBA application. Remember to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for regular updates.